What's up, y'all? We got Forex on tonight. Oh, man. My nose is still killing me. Jayla, did you make it in here? Either there or on the live, Jayla. Either works. You're on it. Let's see here. It says you're muted. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We do this every day. Usually for stocks in the morning. But, we've been meaning to do Forex for a while now. We just hadn't done it yet. I'm waiting for Rhett to get in here, wherever he's at. He done left me. All right. For those who don't know, I have AUD USD pulled up just because this one and USD CAD are my two favorites that I like. And that's usually because they move pretty well for the most part. I think I'll change it back to the 5 though. All right. And just for the sake of looking at things, I'll turn my autofib on. Unless I actually want to chart it out. Let's see here. Okay. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody want to talk? I don't want to talk to myself all night. It's not exactly fun to do.
Can you give me, this is Teresa.
Hey, Teresa.
Hey. Can you just give me a 3-minute rundown on just Forex, period? Like, how do I purchase and how it differs from options, if there are many differences? Just something basic for me.
Okay. Well, it's definitely different from options. The closest you could probably compare it is to shares. Let's see here. Let me actually pull up IG Forex. That way y'all can see that. Let's see here. Stream settings. Change windows. There we go. All right. And let me pull that up here. Okay, so this screen right here is IG Forex. And I actually have it pulled up on the demo account currently. So, let's see. Let me minimize everything. There we go. All right. Can you see this screen?
I can. Mm-hmm.
Okay, perfect. I have everything on my screen and I'm just like, okay, let's go. All right, so like I said, it's kind of like shares, but on a larger scale and a minor scale, really. So you can sell or you can buy. It's, that's the basic. I think that's what I like most about Forex is the fact that you can sell as it's going down and make money, kind of like puts.
Or like spreads?
Kind of.
Okay.
Similar, it can be, yeah.
Okay.
So let's see. So with IG Forex, each broker is going to be different as to how much, not down payment, but the minimum deposit is going to be. For IG Forex, it's $250. And so that would actually get you quite a good little bit, size-wise. Each size that you're going to buy is called a lot. Like this right here. That is one lot. And that for AUD is worth approximately $2,324.
Okay.
Yeah, so you would need that much in your account to get one lot. Now, with like Rhett, you'll see him, he usually trades like 0.18. So let's do this. We'll do 0.01 just to show. This is a mini lot.
Okay.
And you would only need $23 in your account.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So scalable.
Exactly. It takes more time to build up using the smaller amounts, but at the same time, you're not going to blow your entire account. And then how it does, like how you know how much money you're going to get, is it actually tells you right here. So if you did 0.01 lots, you would get 10 cents per pip movement. Now, a pip is going to be, let's start with this number right here, 0.77460. From that point to 7746 or 470. So it would be 10, right? But in reality, it's 1 pip.
Okay.
So each 10 is a 1 pip increment.
Okay.
Math-wise, it's actually pretty easy once you have that down. And after that, you're just like, oh, okay. And then the more lots you buy, and the bigger the lot, the faster it adds up. So like one whole lot, you get $10 per that 10 increment movement. Little bitty move, which, one of these candles can move. Let's see. This one right here went from highest was 481. Yeah. So that's 3 pips right there in that candle. So that would have been $30 in that candle.
Okay.
So it's definitely, it adds up quick once it's actually moving. And now,
if you started on the first green candle where your mouse was.
Right here or right here?
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
And then it went up. It was 2 additional green candles. What happens when it hits that red candle? If you're still,
you just, your number drops. In that, and that's why it's like shares more than options. Because I don't know if you've noticed, with options, the overall price is going to depend on how much people are willing to pay for it.
Right.
So the stock price could be going up exponentially, but the price of that option could be stalled at one number. And that's my only issue I have with options is I'm like, why?
Right.
So yeah.
But that doesn't happen with Forex.
No, it's just like shares. So let's see. Say by this time by the end of this candle, you had $50. Well, right here, it's dropped down a little bit. So let's say we're back at like 40. Well, then we got this candle right here, so we're down a little bit more. So you're still up from your initial investment, but you're down overall so far. So you're still green, just not as green as you were up here.
Okay.
And that's what I like about it.
Yeah, because that seems a little bit easier to maneuver. If you're getting a red candle, you figure out how much it is, and then that's how much you drop.
Exactly.
Okay.
And the good thing about Forex is, if you wanted to, you could stay in for as long as you want.
Right. So no expiration dates.
Exactly.
Ooh. Okay.
I know some brokers, IG Forex does this. They do have like a small fee for holding overnight, but it's so minor that it doesn't even do anything really.
So it's mostly a day trading type of thing.
Usually, yeah.
Okay.
I know Rhett and I will hold overnight depending on if we know it's going to drop or go up a
Mm-hmm.
certain amount. Then we'll hold. Like last night, let's see. Actually, we both hit our take profits last night. um, we both got in a short on AUD, so we both
Mm-hmm.
sold. Let me see. Let me scroll out here. Let's see. Wednesday, that's today. Yeah, late last night. Let's see. Because this is the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we both got in a short, I think right about here. And, oh no, it was right here. Because it had started, let me pull it over. It had started, it was hitting that upper resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And so we were like, oh, okay, well, we're pretty sure this is going to fall because we've noticed that AUD tends to fall overnight. Not always, but it usually
Right.
does.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, 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 yo.
What's up?
What up?
About time you show up.
Jeez.
Sheesh. So we both got in here on a short and our take profit hit like, what was it, Rhett? Like right in here, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, we had it set super small because it ended up dropping all the way down there.
Wow. So you got out when? In the morning?
No, we
On the
actually,
green?
it was like what, 1 a.m., right, Rhett?
Yeah, it was like right before I went to bed, so like midnight 1, I think.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Maybe even sooner. Like it died right after we got out. We were just like, really? We should have stayed in. But we definitely weren't expecting it to drop that much.
That far.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it dropped like 20 more pips
Oh,
Yikes.
it dropped
after our
cuz
take profit.
yeah, cuz we ended up I can't pull up IG on my phone. When we got out,
But you still made profits. You just
Oh, yeah.
you left profits on the table because you went
Yeah.
to bed.
yeah. Oh, it was right
Mhm.
here, Rhett, because it started going up that little bit right there. So we were both thinking that it might go up, but it ended up dropping just a hair more. So it hit both of our take profits. And then from right about there, from this 425 area, it dropped all the way down to
Yikes.
like
so
150. Yeah, I was just like, what? Why? Because I would have gotten, what, like another probably $200 or so, maybe a little more.
I honestly wasn't expecting it to go down to that low, to 77,200.
I wasn't either. And like, that was really surprising.
So because it went that low, then you're actually knowing it's going to go back up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Provided no news came out, it's
Mhm.
bound to come up.
Okay.
And the reason why that
With
is,
AUD.
yeah, AUD is naturally bullish.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
it wants to be bullish pretty much all the time.
That's kind of cool. Okay, I wish Spy did that, but go ahead.
Right? I mean, let's see, what was it? Like a month ago, Rhett? Or was it like 2 months ago now?
Oh, when it hit the all-time high?
No, when it hit low because of the inflation news.
Oh, yeah. That was last month.
Yeah. So when the inflation news came out for the US, like AUD had just hit the all-time high, like Rhett said. And that inflation news came out and overnight it dropped so fast. We were all stuck. We were just like, what? Where did this come from?
Mm-hmm.
And I mean,
Okay.
don't get me wrong, Vision saw it, but at the same
There was
time,
no time to react.
oh no, we were just
Yeah.
under the assumption it was a pullback.
Oh, okay.
We were like, oh, we'll stay in. It's all good. It was not all good.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate the explanation because, you know, I don't have a whole bunch of situational awareness about it and, you know, never traded it. And I'll ask you questions another time about brokerages. Brokerages. No, that's not how you say that.
Well, ask as many questions as you like. I mean, we're here.
Okay.
And we're always in the Forex chat too. So that's definitely something. And I do have that basic Forex video that I just
I
did.
need to look at that. I saw it. Yes, I need to look at that.
And basically, that one's quite literally very basic. It literally goes over what the lot terms are, the sell and buy, just very basic overview. And then I'm going to work everyone into it because,
Okay.
I kind of just threw myself in Forex because of Rhett.
Rhett, it's all Rhett's fault? Okay.
It is.
I'm a bad influence.
He is. He just started trading it one day and he was like, oh, you need to try this. I was like, okay.
I'm making bank. You need to try it.
That's exactly how that went too. He was like, I'm making money. Let's go. So
okay.
yeah.
All right. I didn't mean to interrupt. I just wanted to ask those, basic questions. And I will go back and look at the video over the weekend.
Oh, you weren't interrupting anything. Honestly,
Okay.
like, I definitely want questions, If people have got questions, I love them. We're kind of just hanging out tonight. If we get in a trade, then we get in a trade.
Oh, we might get into a trade?
Yeah.
Well, I'm in one right now.
Yeah, he's in one right now. What are you in now? Jeez, you didn't even tell me.
I'm in the short still.
What the heck, Rhett?
Huh.
A little
I'm
early
down
tonight.
$8 though.
A little early tonight.
Yeah.
Jayla said she
See,
just
wait.
made some money on USD CAD. Very nice, very nice.
Nice. For anyone that don't know, AUD usually dies during the night. So
This is true.
it's really smart to short it.
He just has a habit of getting in a little early. Just a little early.
Okay.
Very.
Like, Vision hasn't told you to go short yet early.
And he went already, right?
I thought I could beat Vision.
Every time. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it starts dying in the next probably... But it started dying like 9, 10 o'clock last night, right?
Yeah, I was up $10 like 10 minutes ago.
Well, yeah, that's because you were on this pullback right here.
Yeah.
That
I
one right
should
there.
have took my profit.
You should have took your profit.
Oh well.
It's okay.
You can take profits and jump back in, can't you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the other good thing about Forex. There's no PDT. You can literally jump in and out all day long.
Oh, I love that. Okay.
Like, that's one of my favorite parts.
Yeah.
Let's see. I want to get in, but at the same time, I know that I would be buying the top. I'm looking at it right now, and I'm like, yeah, it's gonna end up falling here momentarily. Because right here...
Well, if you are shorting it, you want the top.
Well, I know. I'm about to. I'm getting there.
Get in.
I'm going. Okay, fine.
FOMO.
Fine. You've caused FOMO.
You'll have a way better position than I am.
I know, right? Yeah, right here you can actually see it's hitting up against a resistance area. Let me see here. So when you sell, Teresa,
Mm-hmm.
it'll show up as red
Okay.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then this number is always going to be blue once you start making money.
Okay.
And then when you buy, this number right here ends up being blue.
Okay.
That's what I like. I like the colors. Oh, look, I'm up $4. Yeah. Get it.
Unbelievable.
Well, this is what happens when, I buy the top. You're welcome, Rhett.
You're welcome. My loss is your gain.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. See. Okay. Scroll down. Yeah, you can definitely see. Let me draw a line. Where's my... Nope, don't want a rectangle. Horizontal. There we go. All right. And we'll make it approximately right there. So, yeah. That right there is a good little resistance spot. And a support for this area. This one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All across there.
So you can buy directly from this platform?
Yeah. You can actually, you have the option to, like, I have it on my phone. That's where I normally trade from.
Mm-hmm.
And, on here, it's, they have it side by side, the chart. Whereas on your phone, mine, you can buy either off the chart or you can just buy it straight on the chart. And I like that. Jayla, I've been testing out your broker. I'm still not sure about it. Not exactly sure about all that leverage. Let's see here. Yeah. I don't doubt it. This will end up being blue here in a little bit. And it'll stay blue for a good while. Because I'm not thinking it'll go down as far as it did last night. But it'll probably come down to maybe like the 400 to 300 area. It likes that range, usually. So I'll just sit in there. I might just scalp it here momentarily. Rhett, he likes to sit in his for a while. I just scalp my way through. But IG Forex, they've been good to me. I mean, as a broker, like, I hate the deposits so much, but I mean, when you deposit a whole bunch at once, it works. Because let's see, that's what I was gonna do. Because I think, what was it? 0.2? Nope, hold on. 0.2. I think that was. Oh yeah, I actually have to click a thing. Margin return 465. So was it one? Yeah, so if you deposit $250, then that allows you to get 0.1 lots.
Okay.
So that's actually pretty good because that ends up being $1 per pip movement. So that's not bad at all. Like, let's see. And let's see, let me scroll in. Oh, I'm right on it. That's why I can't see it. You can actually see, it'll have listed on the side what your entry point is. And that's another thing I like. I think mine's Yeah, I can't see it because of the thing. Oh, and you can when you click on your actual trade point, you can just close it from right there. and it'll take it at what the current price is. Now that is something to think about too. There is a built-in spread with Forex. You know, that's how the brokers make their money. So right here it says 525 and then the sell is 515. So in that way it's kind of like crypto. So right now it's about a 1.3 spread. Varies 1.3. So if I were to sell this right now, then I would get, well, right now I'd get $2. But I sold, so my sell has to be, or was it my buy? Can't see my darn number, so I'm like, what is it? Oh yeah, okay. 534. So yeah. So my buy number has to be above 534, which was my entry point. I don't know if that made sense or not.
Yeah, it did. It did.
Okay.
I think so.
In that way, it's like crypto, you know, it goes by. So if I had bought instead of sold, then my number has to be higher than the opposite one or lower. So in this case, you know, it's the 534. So as long as this is, or is it 534? I can't see the number. I think it's, yeah. So as long as the one number, I might say 124. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's 534. Okay, cool. There must be a lag on my screen. Oh, yeah, no. We're good. Okay, so. I don't know why I can't think tonight. Okay, so. Being that I sold, every time this number drops below 534, I get money.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
Why I couldn't say that the first time, I have no idea. So being that I bought in.
Long day.
Right, it has been a long day. All that AMC watching, you know.
Yes.
I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm telling you. So, like right here. So, my entry point was 534. It's now at we'll say 42 for the sake of things. That's why I'm, you know, negative $8. It'll come back down eventually. Geez, Rhett, I didn't buy the top. Something to look at too is I don't go just by along with vision. I'll use the Stoke or stochastic.
Okay.
And I'll also use RSI. Oh snap, I am up $10. Yep. Well, it keeps going back and forth, but you know, for the sake of things, I'm up. Oh yeah, I'm still on the 15-minute candles. Hold on, let me switch back to my 5s. These are my favorite candles. I love the 5-minute.
Yeah.
I noticed you've been trading more on the 5-minute candles, Rhett.
Huh?
I noticed you've been trading more on the 5-minute candles.
Yeah. Trying to transition myself.
Yeah, I feel like it's easier to catch the moves on the 5-minute than on the 15.
Yeah.
And then on the 1-minute, you can miss everything. 1 minute's going up, down, up, down. You're just like, what are you doing?
1 minute I like for just scalping a few bucks.
Oh, yeah, definitely. It's definitely a good one to scalp.
I think as soon as I take go blue on this, I'm going to take it and look for a different position because I don't like this position.
What was your entry point? Like, what, 5? Oh, you weren't even blue yet. So, what, like 500?
494.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Little early there, Rhett. Little early.
Yeah, I jumped the gun.
It's all good. We've all done it. But yeah, I'll let this sit there and look pretty. With Forex, there are different markets, Teresa.
Mm-hmm.
So, like this one's Europe and Japan. I really don't trade any of the wild ones.
Okay.
Mainly
By
because
wild, you mean they swing a lot?
sometimes they can. Like, let me pull it up here. Like this one, these are 5-minute candles.
Oh.
Look at that candle.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now mind you, this was during the market reset. Each day the market will reset at about 4 o'clock Central, and during that time the spread between these will widen like
Mm-hmm.
a lot. Like it'll normally it's like 1, maybe 1.5. During that time, it can go anywhere from like 6 to 10 to 12.
Eeps.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
crazy.
Mm-hmm.
But these ones can be expensive. Like, let me see here. Like, one lot of this is $4,885.
Oh, that's almost double the one. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's why I really like. I don't mess with those. I'm like, y'all are expensive and not really worth my time.
Mm-hmm.
The best ones are all the USD pairs. And they move pretty decently since they're against the dollar. My other favorite is USD CAD. And the funny part about this one is, and Rhett and I figured this out, I think like, 3 months ago, Rhett? 4 months ago?
What?
The fact that USD CAD and AUD USD are opposite.
Oh, yeah.
So we were sitting here one night trading, and we were like, oh, look, AUD's going up. And we were like, oh, look, CAD's going down.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And we finally connected the dots that every time USD CAD is dropping, AUD will rise up. And then every time AUD drops, CAD will end up rising up. And USD CAD is actually cheaper than AUD. Not by much, but I mean, $300-$400 can make a difference.
We should have known that way sooner that they were opposite, but we like learning the stuff on our own.
Yeah, we really didn't watch videos.
Yeah.
We were just, we kind of learned just by trucking through it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We were like, videos? What's that for?
Yeah, you can watch videos all day long, but if you don't do it yourself, you won't learn.
That's, pretty accurate too. And, I mean, it took me forever to finally jump the gun and get into Forex because I was like, oh no, I don't want to be addicted. And I am.
Right. Okay.
And I was like, and I don't want to do this and I don't want to do that. And next thing I know, like, Rhett's just like, do it. And I'm like, fine.
Mm-hmm.
But USD CAD, that's, it's actually $3 cheaper than AUD USD. So.
Yeah, it's like the cheapest pair you can get into.
Yeah, a nice.
And it's always going down. Like, if you short it, you're going to go green at some point.
Pretty much, yeah. Like, that's accurate. Now, when inflation happened, oh, man. That killed everybody because USD CAD took a joyride up.
Yeah.
So we were just like, what do we do? Like, let me see here. I think I gotta scroll out. Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see, February, March. Yeah, this is, I'd say, what? This was about the time it happened, right, Rhett?
yeah.
Right. Yeah. Yep. It was like right about the bottom of here. And then the news came out and it went soaring up. And it usually still continues down eventually, but yeah. Needless to say, a lot of people were stuck for a bit. Not expecting inflation news.
Wow, my take profit just hit.
Oh, yeah?
Look at that candle. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, look, I'm up $50.
Unbelievable.
All right, I'm gonna jump off. It's getting late here.
Oh, yeah, I forgot it was late.
Yeah,
where you're
1
at.
hour. Yeah, so I'm fading. So
You're
I will
fading.
talk to you guys. Yep. Talk to you guys in the morning.
See you in the
Have a good
morning.
one.
Okay, bye.
I always forget that she's on the other time.
East Coast, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. Or is it the other one? No, she's
know.
on Northeast News. West, I don't know. An hour
Well, I
ahead.
kind of hope it goes up so I can get a better position.
Oh, well, it's trying to go up, geez.
That's a big red candle.
I
Look at the
know.
wick on that.
I know, I'm like, what the heck happened? Oh, wait, hold on. What did I tell you was, they said news came out tonight.
Oh, it was the retail? Something like that?
Oh, snap. Let me pull it up.
We were posting it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. AUD had the construction index at 630. 930 is the retail sales and trade balance. And then, yeah, that's it for today. I don't know, but I know they affect everything. Like usual.
Huh.
I think Daily FX had that posted. Maybe.
Interesting.
I know one of the channels I've tagged in the Forex chat, I think it's Daily FX, they actually have a YouTube channel in which they have basically like an audio version of all of their articles they write for the day.
Yeah.
So I thought that was pretty neat.
Oh, here it is. So I downloaded this app. It's called FX Street. You ever heard of that?
Yeah, I think I have that one saved. I didn't realize they had an app for it.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Like you could type in any pair you want to see the news on. It pulls it up for you. This is what they say about AUD.
Ooh, yeah. What do we got for AUD tonight?
I put in the public chat so everyone can see.
Yeah.
It's pretty interesting.
Let's see. AUD USD seesaws around 0.7750. Focuses on Aussie retail sales and trade balance. Oh, we were just saying that.
Yeah.
So that's why it's been choppy lately, because it's been waiting for this news.
Yeah. And this came out 3 hours ago, so I mean.
Well, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew, I actually, that's one of them that I use online. I didn't realize that they had an app, so I'll have to download that. That's nice.
I wonder if I could. You think I put that in the stock chatter?
Yeah. I don't see why not. That's actually a good one for Stock Chatter. A good little news article.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to see, once they officially announce the sales and balances, how far it drops
Right.
or goes up.
Clean it up a bit.
Or are you going to crop it?
Yeah.
There you go. That's the way to do it. Make it look party.
Yeah. More perfect.
Just make sure you don't put the slash between AUD USD.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, do that.
I know I need
There
to
we
make
go.
a post on Stock Chatter. I think I made one earlier that I was, yeah, I need to make a new one.
Hopefully that comes up.
I'm swinging AUD still, so, I mean, one way or another. Your Mac will soon sleep unless you plug it in. Oh, well, heck, I better plug in my Mac. Whoopsie daisies.
This is actually pretty cool. We're doing a live at like 8 o'clock at night.
I know, right? Like, we should do this more often. Oh, well, apparently on TradingView there's a news section too. I did not realize that.
Huh.
Well, I think I will just leave my trade and switch to TradingView real quick. And let me pull that up here. Da 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 da. Ooh. Okay, let me find the news. Oh, there we go. Thank you, Dylan. We appreciate that. Let's see.
I told him we like doing stuff the hard way.
Oh, and that's funny. It links right to Daily FX. That's awesome. Let's see here. Financial juice. Do. That's funny. This one came out earlier the day. Fed's Harker. We don't want a repeat history by reverting to a multi-currency system. Oh, that's encouraging.
Huh.
Oh, this one's talking about whatchamacallit. You know how we were talking about the banks creating their own crypto?
Oh, yeah.
That's what this one's talking about. There is no certain timeline on when the U.S. could launch a central bank digital currency. Interesting. Very interesting. There we go. I'll switch back to IG. Oh, look. I'm still blue.
Yeah, maybe I should have kept my position.
Think so? Let's see. Oh. Where did IG Forex go? Hold on. I
If it pulls
exited.
back up, I'm probably going to get back in.
Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Let's see. We'll just switch back over to TradingView. How did I end up? Apparently I closed out IG Forex. My bad.
Oh my gosh.
You're good, Dylan.
Oh, he's in here?
Yeah, he's in here.
Wow.
Let's see. Home. Let's see. Oh, Jayla, that was for that one, it's one whole lot. So that one was a little over 2,000. Normally, I'll do smaller lots like 0.01, and that's like for AUD, I think that's 23 bucks. Right now, I'm up $32.
You see the chat, Cash?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's Jayla. Yeah, that's right. Oh, snap. I'm up 45 now. She's dropping.
Unbelievable.
I know, right?
There we go with my paper hands.
Gosh bless it. IG Forex. What the heck is up with you tonight? This is on my demo account, just because. Okay, there we go. Can you see the screen now, Jayla? I can't see the screen. Oh, it's black. What the heck? Can y'all see? Rhett, what do you see?
On what?
Good Lord, man.
I was typing.
On the screen, what do you see?
I see a search bar.
A search bar. What the heck?
Here.
It's weird.
I see this.
Killing me. Oh. Well, that's odd. Oh, that's because it's... How the heck did that happen? Oh, well. I'll just exit off of that and put it back on TradingView. Beep-a-doo. There we go. Can you see TradingView, Rhett?
No.
How about now?
No.
What the heck did I...
I see the same thing.
Huh?
Yeah,
I see
did you
the-
switch your screen on Discord?
Oh. Maybe that's what I
You
did.
know what I mean?
Yep, hold
Where
on.
it says screen and video and all that.
Yeah, I think that's what I did.
We're stuck on a daily FX
Okay.
blank tab or something. Dude, AUD keeps falling. How much are you up now, Cash? There you go. I see TradingView now.
Okay, now we're good. I don't know. Hold on. Let me check.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
But you got out of it early, Rhett? It sounded like?
Yeah.
Me and my technical difficulties.
Punk ass.
Ah!
Oh, I'm up $70. Yeah.
Rip. Play a sad song for Rhett. Play it one time for the boys. Right,
Why
going
does this
back
keep
in.
happening to me?
Because you like to take profits, bro. You did it today on WSC instead of holding overnight.
Yeah, but
You know.
people get nowhere taking little profits.
Ask Cash about that.
Hello. I got lots of places. Thank you.
Yeah, jumped that Forex account from 300 to over 1,000. Nothing but like little $3, $4, $5, $6 profits.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
In a few days. But I feel you. You want the big money. I get it. Anyway, I'm going back muted.
Well, thanks, Dylan. Just, jump in and then bye.
Yeah,
That's what it is.
Me and my screen technical difficulties. Why not? Oh, I'm up 80, y'all. I'm up 80.
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? Thank you. Thank you. Let's see. And I can actually let me pull up my horizontal lines here. Dun, 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 horizontal ray. It says my entry point was 554. Yeah. Doo-doo-doo. So I'm going to put my horizontal ray at 554. Boom. So, from there to currently right here. What are we at? 55? Somewhere. Yep. I am at $79. Score!
So
Did you jump back in, Rhett?
I want to win on a pullback.
I'm up 85 on that pullback.
Unbelievable.
Paper hands!
I'm tired of taking pennies.
You know what? Those pennies add up.
Facebook is getting to them.
That's exactly what it is. You're listening to all the people in the group.
I thought you were muted.
You're listening to everybody that
not.
don't need to listen to. Oh, look,
say it again for the rats in the back.
I know, right? It's trying to pull up, but it's not doing a good job.
I wanted to pull up like at least one good green candle. I'll screw it. I'll get it.
Well, I mean, it's pulled up $20 so far.
Well, let's see what Vision says on the 1 minute.
Do it. Let's see here. Let me switch over to the 1 minute. Well, I'm on intermediate. Hold on.
What'd you call me?
You heard me. Yeah, that's actually good. Catches those bear signals pretty quick.
Oh, see? Take profit right now.
Where?
Oh, it just flashed. See, there it is.
It's still got 43 seconds. I'm still up $65.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be green like until morning.
I know, right? And I'm not even gonna stay in that long.
No.
I'll probably take it right at 100. Right at 100.
You're gonna take profit at 100?
No, I'll probably wait till like right after that. The one last night ended up being 144, not even looking at it.
Stormy!
Stormy's in here?
Is she gonna short something?
Well, she can short AUD with us. Jeez.
There you go.
Guaranteed to drop then.
How's it going, guys?
What's up?
What's up? All right, I'm getting in.
You
Let's
getting
pull
in?
back enough.
Well, I changed it to advanced, so it'll tell me on the 1 minute.
What's the big difference between the advanced and intermediate on the vision setting?
The advanced has more signals. It doesn't ride through all of the dips. Oh, I'm still up $45. You. Let's see what the 3 minute looks like. Like, let's see. I think on the 3 minute, it'll actually. Yeah, like this is the 3 minute intermediate. It held through that area right there.
Yeah.
Which is good because, it ended up going up even higher right there. And then I hardly ever wait for a bull signal or a bear signal just because I like those take profits. They're quite nice. That's actually, let's see, where's my... Look at that, Rhett. I got in at that take profit. Boom. Ain't that
Nice.
something? That is nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's the way to do it. And of course,
You're gonna have to learn me something on this.
Yeah, Stormy. Gonna have to jump into it with us.
Oh,
Not
God.
like sleep or
Yeah, sleep is for the weak.
no? I know how Stormy is. You guys do too. She will not sleep.
Oh, I know.
Nope.
She'll be like, AUD, shorten it? Okay, let's go.
Y'all gonna get me in trouble.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stormy.
No idea.
Hey, what platform do you guys use for Forex?
I use IG Forex. There's a few different ones. I know Cedar FX is pretty good from what I've heard.
Forex.com.
Yeah, Forex.com. AAFX is pretty good, but really high leverage, so that's something to be wary of.
And it's a little sketchy. It's
Yeah, that too.
Yeah, I don't want sketchy.
No sketchy.
I'm sketchy enough.
kind of like an offshore broker.
Gotcha.
Not too legal.
Yeah.
But what the government doesn't know.
That's all I'm gonna have to say about that.
I mean, it's all hush hush.
What is it? What is it like trading? Like the dollar, or I'm not really.
This one is the Australian dollar against the US dollar.
Gotcha.
So, right now, because the US dollar is down, the Australian dollar is stronger. So, AUD usually always goes up, and USD CAD, which is the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, that one almost always goes down.
Okay.
But I think those are our two favorite pairs. The Euro USD isn't too bad. I don't know why. Why don't we trade that one as much, Rhett?
Yeah, I started off on that pair, but I don't know. I just don't like it.
Can you say that again, Cash, on the two pairs, the AUD and the CAD?
The Australian dollar
Yeah. Usually goes up. You're
Yeah,
saying?
AUD USD usually always goes up. It's naturally bullish.
Gotcha.
It obviously has pullbacks, like right back here. This was last night. But when you look at the grand scheme of things, let's see. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
It's been going up since April or March. Let's see, what time frame is that?
And it's pretty predictable during the day. During the day, it usually goes up, and then at night, it usually tanks.
So this is 24 hours.
Yeah,
Oh
yep.
yeah, 24 hour, 6 days a week.
5 days.
Is it 5?
Yeah, well, it ends Friday afternoon and opens Sunday afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, don't get me in trouble.
We're going to get her in trouble. Shh. We won't tell if you don't.
Well, he's laying right next to me, so I'm in trouble.
Download IG Forex right now.
Right?
Okay.
You got this. Join the crazy. Join the crazy crew.
Hey, is it good for desktop?
It is actually. It's not too bad actually. But there we go. And it actually has a phone app too. So if you wanted to do it on your phone, which I think it's actually easier on the phone.
I like the phone.
Yeah. Like, I don't know why, but it's just like it's simpler.
Cool.
It's handy. You can make a lot of quick decisions on the phone.
Right? You can be on the go and it's just like, oh, hey, look, a quick trade.
Let me scalp $20 here real quick.
Exactly.
I put a screenshot on in public chat on my phone version. There you go.
Yeah, it's definitely nice on the phone.
Never mind that $8. I'm in the red.
Rat.
Oh, yeah.
You just, had to get in right there, right?
Dylan calls that FOMO.
Well, we all get a little bit of FOMO. You should be. Well, yeah. You should be blue here in a minute.
Oh, I'm gonna hold it until it goes blue. That's what I do.
Well, yeah, obviously. Right here is a pro at holding. Well, like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I think holding some time on the Forex works out pretty good. One time I did, and I forgot all about it. I came back, it's like up $200.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
What's wrong?
I would have been like, take it. Sell. Let's see. I don't know, the way it's going, I think I think everybody's still waiting on that news.
Yeah.
Ow. I made mac and cheese for dinner tonight. It was so yummy. Did you tell Jace good night, Rhett?
Yeah.
I didn't realize he went home this week.
Yeah, since school's out, we do a week on, week off.
That's not bad.
No?
I'm sure he enjoys getting to spend time with both of y'all.
Yeah.
Now we're just all gonna have to pile in a car and go see Dylan.
Yeah.
Dylan's like, no, don't do that. Oh, look. It's pulling up, Brett.
Oh, yay.
Such joy.
Last
So
time I
I'm
listened to
looking.
Dylan.
I'm looking through the app store. It's IG Forex.
Yeah, it'll be
Yeah.
a red, and it'll say IG. You know, it's funny because it reminds me of Weeble. Like, I like the Weeble phone app better than I do the Weeble desktop.
Me too. To this day on desktop, I cannot find where to sell my options.
Oh, goodness, don't ask me because I haven't even tried it on there.
I can't find it.
I think I know where it is. I'd have to go back because I think I helped somebody with it a month or so ago. But I'd have to go back and look at some screenshots. Either that or just go on Weeble itself and be like, okay, let's find this. But, you know, that's a lot of work.
It's downloaded.
Oh, snap. We're going to have Stormy addicted.
Yep.
Stormy's gonna be addicted to Forex. Da-da.
You're gonna get me in so much trouble.
Hey, Cass, what time frames you guys usually have the most success on the Forex?
I usually stick to the 5 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll use the 15
Uh-huh.
and the higher time frames to check out the overall trend. But I usually stick to trading on the 5.
Are you still charting as well?
Yeah, I'm definitely still charting. That's actually... Did I draw it on here? Let's see, what line was that? Let's go back to the 15 minute. Yeah. Okay, so this white line that I put right here,
Uh-huh.
that's actually the spot that I got in approximately earlier.
Uh-huh.
Which also, coincidentally enough, is... Oh, actually, no, I got in at this red line. There it is. Doo-doo.
Got in at a sell?
Yeah, I'm in on a sell.
Yeah.
And...
So you're not gonna stick to trading just the 15, you're just charting the 15 and the 5 or the 5 minutes?
I usually chart on the 15.
Uh-huh.
Because, like, this white line right here, this dark white line,
Yep.
that allowed me to see that that was actually a good resistance point.
A resistance. Uh-huh.
Like, pretty much across, like, back a few months worth. And then it's a good support area in some cases, too.
Get good direction on the 15, then make your entry on the 5 or 1 or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
And so I ended up, let me zoom in, this red line right here, this is where I got in, which I think it was over here. Yeah, because, well, this is the 15 minute. So on here it would have been, I think, this candle. Let me check out the 5 minute. Where'd I get in, Rhett? Let's see. 20, oh, it was about right here. This candle right there. That one. So yeah, it went meow. I was actually up $85 right there at the end of that candle.
Nice.
But I'm just going to keep holding for a little bit because AUD usually falls around this time
Yeah,
anyway.
and actually knowing the pair and like how it acts really helps you out too.
Exactly.
Like it being like 9 o'clock at night, it's a good bet to short it.
And the fact that, usually, unless it's for pullbacks anyway, AUD's, almost always going up, and USD CAD's almost always going down. Unless inflation news comes out, and then, everything goes topsy-turvy.
Yeah.
Who you talking to? Oh.
Stormy's in trouble.
Uh-oh.
I am here, y'all. Oh, it's
I do
true.
nothing.
Stormy done did it now. Oh, snap, Rhett, we are pulling up.
Yay.
Yeah. Well, that FOMO just had to kick in, didn't it?
Last time I listened to Dylan.
When I was reading about Forex and everything, I came across something and I didn't quite understand it. It was calling it like buying lots or pips or something. I'm still confused.
So, let's see here. So, right here, and it's going to look a little different on your phone, but overall it'll look the same. So, right here, you see the one?
Yeah.
So, that is one lot.
Okay.
And that's basically, kind of think of it like one share.
Okay.
Well, one share of AUD, if we buy or we sell it, is going to be $2,324.64. Now, most of the time, I mean, the bigger accounts, yeah, you're gonna have that ability to buy one share. But most of the time, I'll click sell since I'm in a sell. I don't want to accidentally get rid of my position.
Yeah, don't do that.
Let's say, what do you have, Rhett? Are you on 0.2 right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so 0.2. So that's 0.2 lots, or 0.2 shares. Kind of like a fractional share, basically.
Yeah, like a micro or whatever.
Okay.
And so this one is worth $464.87. And then you can actually get smaller mini shares too.
Okay.
Each pip, it goes up or down. You get $2.
Right. With his, at the 0.2, you get $2 per pip movement. So, one pip, let me scroll in. Okay. So, from 500 to 510, that is one pip.
Okay.
And then, so from 500 to 520, that would be 2 pips. So, with Rhett's amount that he has in, he would get $2 per pip movement. So, if it just moved from 500 to 520, he would get $4.
Gotcha.
And like right now, because my entry point was, let's see, I think 534. And right now it's sitting at 495-ish. I'm up about $42.
About four.
Are you
Four bit.
are you shorting?
Yeah, I'm shorting it.
Okay. Because y'all know I like some shorts.
Oh, I know you love your shorts.
I love short Forex too. For me.
Nice.
I think that's
Your best
like
pair would be USD CAD.
Yeah.
It's always getting shorted.
that's true. I mean, it has its up moments, but you know, for the most part.
Yeah.
So with TradingView, same concept on here.
Yeah.
Bear bull.
Let me
This
pull it
is
up.
nice.
Let's see. Let me change my screen. Make sure that I don't, you know. Trading view. There it is. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Like right now, I have it on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it's still holding the bullish.
For now.
I also have it on intermediate. On advanced, it has a bear.
Ooh. Wow.
But I personally like to leave it on intermediate.
Yeah, intermediate's where it's at.
And then I use the take profit points. So this is about where I got in earlier.
I like those points too. Instead
Right?
of waiting on bear.
To take profit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that too.
And they work out so nice. And then switching over to the lower, you know, that helps you see too. At that point, I'll switch over to advanced. Let's see here. Advanced. Yeah, there we go. This one's good for scalping. But I'm staying in it. New intermediate. There we go.
Oh, that's another thing too, Stormy. There's no settlement times.
Oh, I
So
know.
every time you get your after a trade, you can go right back in.
Oh, that's awesome.
And no PDT,
Oh, yeah.
nothing. It's glorious.
So
I
you
will
could
say,
scalp what, $2-3 100 times.
Oh,
yep. I think that's what I like most too about Forex is the fact that it's very technical.
right.
So once you have your charting down, you know, you can just play the trends. Because, like, this is about where I got in. And it was because it was hitting up against that resistance. And it fell. And then it retested. And
Yeah.
currently still falling.
Yeah, I just went blue.
You? Wonder how blue I am. Bum, bum, bum. And I also, something Rhett and I do, and actually a lot of people with Forex is, let's see here, combining it with RSI or the stochastic. It helps a lot. Look here, Forex. You and I are going to have issues. Okay. Can y'all see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
This is why I planned on having it on the demo, because I'm like, keeps being finicky tonight. I'm up $70. But yeah, I think, let's see. We've been, I think it was right about, yep, it was right about there when we got in. And you can see on the RSI, it was overextended And then on the Stoke, those red and blue lines were starting to cross. I hate how the numbers show up.
Do you see what Dylan put on Facebook?
No. What did he put?
Push AMC to 100 plus tomorrow or you're blocked. Deal? Sent with love.
Oh, good gravy. Dylan, you are just
Stirring that pot.
Stirring the pot.
I finally get to trade tomorrow. My money finally settles at 8 a.m., I think. Gee.
Yeah.
What'd you trade today?
I traded some. I had a little bit of cash left, but I had everything else tied up.
You're going to be raking in the dough tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Shoot, I don't doubt it. You will be. You do every time.
Looking good.
Every time. Oh, Lord. Everybody on Facebook is in an uproar.
Because of Dylan.
Oh, no. This one was just an AMC post in general. Hoy. I mean, like, I understand it. You know, this is definitely exciting, but, you know, people need to calm down. Yeah, this, you know.
I'm up $5.
You. Oh, look, I'm at 86. Ta-da! What?
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, it just jumped again.
$6.
We're banking.
Is there a cell signal yet?
On the intermediate? I don't think so. Hold on, let me look. Nope.
Wow.
I'm just going by that take profit from earlier.
I'm up $7.
I found an indicator that I don't have it saved. It shows you dojis.
Oh.
Right? Look at that.
What the hell?
Uh-huh. Isn't that so neat?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've seen this before. Billy showed me this one time.
I think he did show me that too, and then, like, I think we both forgot about it. Yeah. My bad. I'm sorry, Billy. We just let you down.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I know, right? Like, it comes in handy when you're like, is that a doji? I think it is. And then, you know, it comes along and it's like, no, you idiot. That was not what a doji.
Right.
Because I'm like, oh, look, a doji. No.
Comes in handy if you want to know, you know, the movement.
Right? Because, I mean, look at that. Doji.
Yeah.
Doji. Doji. Every time. Price action change. Da-na-na.
Hell yeah.
I know, right? My son's out there making noises. He's just like... They're so cute at that age. And then they grow up. Ugh.
Start talking shit.
I know, right?
I cannot believe Kyler made 20 grand.
Oh, I know. I saw that and I'm just like, I almost had a stroke myself. Sheesh. And he's still in it. You realize that, right?
Oh, he didn't take profit?
Uh-uh.
Oh, wow.
I know. I'm like, what do you mean you haven't taken profit yet? I would have took profit like 20,000 ago. My bad. I might take my $80. What are you up, Brett? $4?
Probably 320.
Trying to decide if I'll stay in or not. I mean, I'm in a really good position.
Hey, look up a ticker for me.
Sure. On here or on trading?
Trading View.
All right, hold up. Let me switch.
JAGX.
JAGX?
Yeah.
All right.
At 1020.
All right, all right. JAGX. 1020 today?
Yeah.
Let's see here. And yep, extended hours on. 10:20 in the morning?
Yeah.
All right. Right there.
Okay.
Take profit right there.
Oh,
Bam.
shit.
I have this on beginner setting. Because that is actually a really good spike up. And it held really well.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like overall trend-wise. Oh, hello there. Well, that's why, Rhett. That was a cup and handle.
Oh, yeah, it was.
See? Cup, handle, phew! Ain't that something?
Well, the reason why I asked, I'll send it to you in the chat.
Okay. You know, I've actually looked at that one a while back. I hadn't looked at it recently.
I just don't know what to tell him.
Hold on.
I'm sure it's got to do something with the time zone.
That's possible, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. That's actually really nice. What time frame was he looking at it on?
Not sure.
We'll see. That's on beginner. And let's change that. Oh, hello there. Oh, that was a scalper's dream. Dream right there. Phew. I think I like a beginner the most.
You see that cash?
Oh, yeah, hold on. I'm going to look. I'm looking. Let's see here. Tell him to send that to Josh. Oh. Josh. Whoops. Well, Josh is on a... All right, get him, Josh, get him. Let's give him a bit.
He's cussing a lot lately. Everything okay, Josh?
I think we've rubbed off on him. This is horrible.
Is your home life okay? Blink twice.
Blink twice. Oh my god. You just did that. Oh man. That was fabulous. And now I need to go back to intermediate. Haha. What am I on? Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. I'm over here like, why does it look different? Which pair are... built-in spread. I wish Jayla was back on the live. I'd be able to go over that spread with her. Oh, hey Josh. Didn't realize you were in the live. How are you? Blink twice if you need help.
Hey, yeah, just joined up, and then I was looking at these messages.
Yeah.
You know, the usual.
Yeah, everybody wants the bottom of something. It's just if it's that easy for whatever. We'd all be rich if that were the case. Everybody
Right.
in the trading world would be rich.
Oh man, that would be amazing.
Like, yeah, you can't pick like this guy, for example. What he's asking is, yeah, most of the stuff that you see picked up on a scanner did start running, but you got to remember, go back in time and look at things from that perspective, because you don't know that it ran at that point. So a scanner is not going to pick things up until it actually has shown that it's actually running for a period of time.
Right.
Otherwise, you end up with a bunch of wasted signals. So that would cut down. So of all the, say right now, if we had 100 signals a day and we had 50 solid ones that ended up being great pickups from the scanner, if we make changes to pick up everything, we're going to have like 700 signals, and probably 100 of them still are only going to be worthwhile. So it's you can't please everybody though. So
This is true. This is true. Honestly, like, I'm not, with how little overall that one moved, I'm not surprised that it didn't hit the scanner right on the bottom,
Yeah, it probably had low volume or something else. I haven't looked at it yet, but I mean, Gina's hit the scanner, so the scanner's legit.
Oh, I know, right? Genius!
No, but you can literally, so you could go to like Yahoo or any of the major sites, top gainers for the day, and you can probably find similarities, because I imagine that their scanners are obviously doing the same thing any other scanner does. But you'll see, like, whenever their stuff pops up on their list, it's going to be after sustainability. Otherwise, everybody be in that same boat, just spamming a top 1,500 tickers for the day. So I'd rather keep that average down to like we're right around just under 200 with the current settings. but there's a lot of solid, like you see it now. You can kind of see with those continued movement alerts how many of those actually went up 10 cents or more since it was first. That's a lot of them. So there's a good percentage of winners in that list that goes throughout the day.
Oh yeah.
Right.
It's much better than it was last. The first week was pretty decent, but it was a little too conservative. And then the following Monday and Tuesday on version 102, that was way too sensitive. That's where we're getting into. It would have probably picked up what he wanted earlier, but of course that doubled the amount of signals and was a lot less quality.
Yeah.
Quality is better over quantity.
Exactly. Function over form.
Yes.
So what do you think I should say to him? Like,
we need rep words here.
Do you want to type you some rep words?
Yes, please.
I'll type you a message to send to you. We'll try to explain it and break it down and some.
Throw a few cuss words in there too.
I'll keep it. Let's see here. All right, yeah, I'll start typing.
That's funny. Are you in a trade, Josh?
Right now, not any Forex.
For shame.
I'm in Doge, Bitcoin. I have a Neo call, and I have a Ford call.
A Neo call?
Yeah.
Neo?
It expires, I think, on the 11th.
Are you green?
Wow.
No, not yet. I picked up one of the Benzinga option signals earlier.
Oh, okay. Testing it out?
I did grab a BlackBerry call earlier. I should have held that because there's a lot more in it. But I scalped it in like 15 minutes. Maybe 12. I was like, all right, I'm done. I got work to do. So.
And now it's going to be up like really high tomorrow, and you're going to be like, dang it.
Yeah, once I sell, I try not to look back. But of course,
it's so hard.
Yeah, of course, I see news in my feed and all that's related to what I was doing, and I'm like, son of a...
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit eater. Let's see. What's Cat at?
I'm going to load up on WSC again tomorrow, probably.
Heck yeah.
Dylan says it's garbage, but it pays the bills.
It's profitable garbage.
It is.
Did you see the spread on CAD tonight? It keeps switching back and forth between 1.5 and 2.3.
Damn.
I know. I'm like, sheesh.
Okay. So for the Jag X guy,
yeah.
If he really wanted to catch that earlier, it was the scanner picked it up yesterday at 176.
Did it really?
Volume was high, but it picked it up yesterday at 11 a.m. And then it caught a continued movement alert yesterday when it jumped to 186. And then it jumped back onto the scanner this morning at 195.
Nice.
So technically, you can just search JagX in the channel, and you can just give them that and ask him if he saw that. I don't know if that's how far back he wanted in, but
oh hell yeah!
And then if you go even further back, last week it picked it up at 142.
Dang, really?
So actually, this is spot on. It did catch the bottom.
Yeah, it caught it when the volume jumped into it was almost 2 million. It seemed to pick it up on May 24th.
Hell yeah. All right.
That is wild.
I got this.
This kind of gives me an idea too. I could. I'm thinking about having the scanner look back and kind of share some details if it knows that it had signaled it in the last week or so. That might be something handy. That way they kind of get a risk level of, okay, it's been running for a week.
Something, maybe, I don't know if you'd be able to do this. Would you be able to bold the symbol name?
I got kicked.
Yeah.
Good job, Brett.
Me and Logan, man. Like,
I know, it just doesn't like y'all. I think that would help. That would help stand it out, Josh.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, so just bold the symbol name.
Yeah.
I will do that. And then
I know there's a lot of these on here that are like super good.
yeah, it's I mean, just looking at the continued movement signals, like you can see, like jump 25 cents, $1. Heck, there's a lot of jumpers.
Yeah, that's a really good one. Like, I've actually been going through, just looking through them, and I'm just like, man, I would have never known about these.
Yeah, I took a few earlier, I think maybe late last week or earlier this week. Just small positions, just to test what the scanner was picking up blindly, as if I was a person that was wanting to follow it blindly. And I was, out of the 3 I grabbed, 2 of them were good winners. One I'm still holding is like -$2.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
That's not bad at all.
Nope. And the continued movement, that's something now, because, you know, when I see that, I don't care about catching the bottom, but if I know that there's continued movement, then I'm going to feel more comfortable because you know, it's not something that just jumped into the scanner and then it fell flat.
Right.
Yeah. It kept its momentum.
Exactly.
Let's see. That one was on there. I'm trying to see when Dillard's popped on the scanners.
I'm up $8.
Yeah.
What up?
Let's see.
What are you trading?
AUD, USD.
I thought you hated it.
I
It's
do.
a love-hate relationship.
I don't know. I've came around.
And that's the only Forex pair that I've traded over the last 2 months.
I really like it. Like I've actually studied it. You know, like found out how it moves and when it moves.
Yeah, that's why I think I like it. I learned it enough that I can take advantage of it.
Yeah.
So I was looking at the scanner, and Dillard's did actually show up on there.
What now?
Dillard's, did you see what that one did today? That one went from, let me look it up again. It went from today, mind you. High of it opened at 137 and it closed at 161.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's the ticker on that?
DDS.
Okay, I remember seeing it posted.
And that one had a ton of whatchamacallit, in the unusual options.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so 2:30 p.m. 162.68, and then it had a continued movement alert. It had already jumped 43 cents to 163.11.
It showed up on the scanner on the 17th, I believe, as well. Rhett, did you see what Dylan just sent? Oh, look, I'm up $132. Wow, look at that.
Nice. That means I'm up too.
I know. Josh, you're missing out.
Nah, I'm trying to since I've done only Forex or AUD for the last month, I'm gonna take a break from that and just try to force myself to get used to the option stuff.
You're burnt out on Forex? Is that what I'm hearing?
No, I'm just taking a break because if I at night it's my most productive time, and if I have a position open, I'm not fully focused.
Oh yeah.
That makes sense. I'm kind of the same way. I'm really productive during this time.
I just seen it.
That's so bad. Oh, Josh.
Yes.
I put it in the chat earlier, but I don't think either one of you saw it. George answered in support. And yeah, I can't help that.
See, George.
I never know what to say.
So he probably signed up under a different email. Let me see.
That's what I figured, but I was like, I'll ask.
See if I can find.
What are you up to right now, Rhett?
I was at 12. Oh shit. 13. 14.
I know, it just dropped quick.
15. Damn.
All right, keep dropping, keep going. This is what happened last night too, remember?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get this for this guy. It looks like the email he's at least, communicating in support with looks like the same one that he used for sign up.
Oh, well, that works.
Yeah, so I'm not sure why. Oh, hold up. Wait. Twice. Ah, he used his Hotmail.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it is.
I can hear the disgust. You're just like, ugh, Hotmail.
Gosh, yeah. Confused. What?
Sheesh, look at it go, Rhett.
Hell yeah.
It's like, hold on, we gotta pull up a little bit. Can't let them think we're gonna drop real quick. There's some good candles, though. I mean, look at that. Let's see. We'll round for the sake of things. 40 to...
Yeah, I took profit. Well, I didn't take profit, but I set my take profit at 250. 250.
Nice. I mean, shoot,
I don't know if it gets down that low, but...
That's, what, 7 pips? In
Yeah.
that one candle? Yeah. That's nice. I mean, it might get that low. You said 250?
Yeah. It got down to 150.
I think it
I don't
got
know what time
lower.
it is.
Let's see. Yeah, 150. Last
7:30.
Yeah, 7:30 this morning. Wow. Huh. You know, it didn't even get as high as it did yesterday. Look at that.
Okay, I handled that and replied to him.
Thank you. I think this area right here, the 300, that'll be the make or the break. Maybe. I think we're at a make or break point right now. Looks like. Yep. This is a minor support resistance, right?
Yeah, but it being nighttime, it's gonna drop.
Oh yeah. I think it's have they announced that news yet either?
Oh, I don't know.
That's fantastic.
If it goes back up to $17, I'll take profit.
But then when it hits 17, you're gonna be like, I'll wait for 22.
No, I'll take profit.
Hold.
Can you set a trailing stop in IG?
I think you can.
I don't think
I don't
so.
know. No, I don't think you can.
What? That's what I use all the time to save my ass.
You can set a stop loss, but it's not trailing.
She's gone too far. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Grab that, Cass.
Huh?
Let's grab it. Get another one there. Go down a little bit.
You right there?
Yeah, right. Yep. We'll grab that in there. You can just slap it on there. You don't have to. Yeah,
I was trying to slap it on there.
Whoa, now.
Late night cash. Everybody.
It doesn't like it.
I'll send you a screenshot.
Ah, I got it.
Are you sure?
Well, I did it right there.
Elijah, you're not stealing any.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, take it and run. Okay,
Ta-da!
have at it. Whippersnappers, gosh dang.
Whippersnappers. All right, we're gonna short this.
Wait till the end of July.
On Dylan's command, we're gonna short this.
Wait, did Josh actually leave or did his internet die?
Josh.
He's probably tracking the phone.
I'm about to be blue.
Oh, are you?
Dylan's like, I know.
I was hearing the damn room.
Oh, look, I'm blue.
Nice.
All right, y'all. I need to get off of here because look here, my son is tired and he needs to go to bed.
I've given coffee. He's probably already been in bed, but you know.
No, I did not give him coffee.
Haven't been reading enough of them How to Parent books, apparently.
I did not give him any coffee or anything.
I know.
Give him a monster.
No. No. No.
Talk to y'all later.
Y'all have a good night. See you in the morning.
Be getting my $100 tomorrow.
See you on the front line of the AMC army, and no, you won't, right?
AMC to 100. Yes.
Oh yeah, easy. Let's go.
Sheesh.
Distance sheesh. All right, good night, guys.
Good night.